morning. We're looking at the E-Mini S&P 500 market. Just opened up about 9 minutes ago. And I'm going to go ahead and put on a short trade here because I believe the market is going to fail at these levels. We have a retest here. And so what we're going to do is we're going to sell this at 79.25. All right. All right, we are short this market right up in here. Looking for the market to come down at least halfway here. Very low risk trade. Got a key resistance zone right in here, one of our key trade levels, where I would expect a reaction back down to a minimum of 1877.25. 1877.25 right there. So let me pause the video, and so it's not too long of a video. We'll see if we get that reaction down. All right, I am back. Now, this is a good lesson. What I did was I stopped myself out. I was short down here. I stopped myself out. Very small loss here. And I actually reversed the position. So I'm long up in here now. I think this market's going to move higher. I was wrong on my initial analysis and quickly exited. And I am long. So that first trade took a small loss, took a $200 loss, and on the current trade, I'm up about $100. And I believe this market's going to move higher yet. So here we go. So on the current open position, okay, current open position up 150, and then the last small trade took a $200 loss, as you can see in here. So I guess this is a good lesson in just being disciplined, being able to being flexible and dynamic in your approach, and quick to exit when you recognize that you're wrong. Get out, and if the market looks like it's going in the opposite direction, not to hesitate and to move in that other direction like I am now. So I'm going to pause the video and let's see how high we can take this market. I am looking for a retest of yesterday's high, which would be 1883. That's yesterday's high. So far we've run up to 82.5. So we did get close to yesterday's high. Let's see if we can come back up and try to retest today's high. Let me pause this video real quick here. All right, I'm back. I'm giving this trade a little time because I see that the internals are still looking really strong. Even though they're diverging a little bit, they're definitely strong. Let me flip it to this chart. If you take a look here, we've got the NYSE tick. And for the first 31 minutes, it's been positive. It's been over 100. It's been over 0 the whole morning so far. And that shows strength. Because typically, if you look back yesterday, I mean, you're all over you're under. So the first 31 minutes, the market barely gone below the 0 mark, which tells me this is strong. Looking at the NYSE tick, okay? And there's a few other breadth indicators like the advanced decline line on the S&P 500, the advanced decline on the New York Stock Exchange, the advanced decline line on the New York Stock Exchange, right, is 1255. So very strong there, and the advanced decline line on the S&P 500 is trading at 339, where 500 is the highest. So this market's still strong. Plus, I look at this where we not only gapped, right? We gapped. We took off from that initial bar. So we've got a launch play, right? A move with conviction, a momentum play to the upside right out of the gate without trying to fill that gap at all. So in my eyes, we're getting ready for another move to the upside. So let's be a little bit more patient, and I'm going to pause this until we get some action here. All right, while we're waiting for that E-Mini S&P trade to pan out, let's take a look at Laredo Petroleum, the stock that we looked at yesterday. If you recall yesterday, I was telling you that you could buy this stock because of the fact that we've pulled down into a nice support zone, right, into the gray action zone, supported at 200 exponential moving average. We created a bullish engulfing pattern right here, right, taking out the high and low of the prior day. And so what I decided to do is I bought the calls, right? I bought the July 25th call. So a deep in the money, bought the calls down here, July. and I paid $2.95 for it. All right. As you can see yesterday, another neutral type setup here. We had an inside pattern. So we've got a bullish engulfing pattern followed by a inside pattern. All right. So I'm still expecting this market to move higher. My initial catastrophic stop is below these lows. So I'm going to use the underline to exit the option trade. So if the price penetrates down through these lows, I'll just exit my July 25th call trade at $2.95. Right now it's trading at about $2.83, so down about 12 cents on this. The confirmation that this market should really move higher would be a penetration up through yesterday's high, since it's an inside pattern. So if 27.27 is broken and hits 27.37, I think this market could run nicely. Let's go back quickly to the E-Minis. And we are consolidating. We're starting to try to move a little higher here. Let's see if we're right. So I'm going to pause the video. Meanwhile, we are going to think about this Laredo trade, right? This is a daily chart of this stock, LPI, Laredo Petroleum. We're looking for this to move higher. Okay, so back to the E-Minis. Let me pause this. All right, I am back. I am going to end this video. I've got something coming up here, but I'm still long this trade. My hard stop now is at 1879 3/4, right below these lows here. And I'm still looking for the market to come back up to at least test today's high of 1882.5 and potentially go a lot higher. So we'll see. I'll take you through what happened tomorrow morning on tomorrow's free video. And now on to the premium videos, where I'm going to outline a couple other really good trades that are setting up for the short term here. All right. Have a great day. Hope this video helped. Be back with you tomorrow. Bye for now.